your bet. Place your bet. Only few entries on the outside, so better hurry. Place your bet. Only one entry now, entry on the starting gate. All inside now. The red flag is up. There they go. It's now Gayuma leading the pack, followed by Bongbong Sprite, and on the third position it's Tralala. Into the home stretch, still Gayuma leading the pack, and Bongbong Sprite making on the outside. Tralala in between horses, sila trailing the group. It's now Bongbong Sprite down the stretch and headed for home. It's Bongbong Sprite. Tralala is coming back once again. It's Tralala. Bongbong Sprite. Bongbong Sprite and Tralala. It's Tralala. It's Tralala. It's Bongbong Sprite. It's Tralala. It's Bongbong Sprite. It's Tralala. It's finally sila. Takbo!